Hey guys, this is Preeti here and welcome back to another IGTV video. Few days back I put on a poll asking if you would like to have a detailed or a very short review on the light routine that I bought some time back. Most of you voted that I do a short review on the IGTV video, so here I am with a very short review. The light routine comes in a packaging like this. It's of 5 ml and I have the advanced one. There's another one called gentle, which is of the gentle variation, and this one is for advanced. This is the next level of light routine. So I bought this I think in the second lockdown or something, and I've been using it for almost 3 to 4 times now. I think it has given me a significant result on my face. I can clearly see that the pigmentation I had, that is my pigmentation that I had during my pregnancy and post pregnancy too. It was a huge patch around here, and few things around here. I do still have marks here and there, but I think it looks much better than how it was before. If possible, I'll put some pictures from my pregnancy and immediately after delivery, and even after 6 months of delivery. Now my baby is 8 months, which means till 6 to 7 months I had a crazy pigmentation all over my face, but now it has come down a lot more with the usage of this, the light routine. And also I did buy their LED mask. I did buy this one from them, and I've been using this in combination with that. So both of them are working well, and it's giving me a good canvas for my future skincare. Of course, with age and everything, you need to keep updating your skincare routine and everything. So this is me doing my bit for my skin, and I want to share a few pros and cons with you guys. Okay, the first one is, if you're wondering whether this is gonna work for you guys, and I can promise you that it works. It really works. All you have to do is get it and use it. I think the first time the glow was crazy. It is something my skin hasn't seen in the longest of time, from pregnancy and delivery and everything. But after a few times it does come down to a level where you get used to that glow, and you're not seeing much of a difference. But honestly, the exfoliation is happening. Dead skin cells are definitely getting removed from your skin, so which means you're left with rejuvenated skin all the time, every single time you're using this product. So for that, I really like this one, because it may not give you the glow every single time you use, but it's definitely doing the job of doing a very gentle exfoliation rather than using a granulated scrub on your face. So that's one. Two, it did reduce a lot of pigmentation. I can vouch my name for that, because it made sure my patches have gone, and I believe that is hyperpigmentation, but I'm not sure what it is, or if it is something that every pregnant woman gets during pregnancy and it goes off after delivery. But it didn't go off for me, so I had to use something that would literally remove it from my face. So this helped me with that, but because I didn't have any acne on my face or any active acne going on, so which means I have no say on that topic. But I've heard that it does a great job with the acne part as well. But the pigmentation, definitely a big thumbs up. Most of us are in lockdown and we can't go out and get few procedures done by ourselves, so this comes as a super skin rescue. You can do it at home. A single session of chemical peeling would cost around 2500 or even more, but this is around 2800 rupees, and the advanced one is around 3800 rupees, and they all last for almost 6 to 7 sessions of peeling or chemical exfoliation. And when you compare it with the chemical peeling sessions at the clinic, even at home peels that are available in the market, I think this one is by far the best and most cost effective from my point of view. So these are all the pros, and I would just want to share a few cons as well. It doesn't have many, but there is some. The first one is that it's salicylic acid, and we all know that glycolic acid is one of the mildest peel, other than the lactic acid too. But salicylic acid might not suit a lot of people. If you're wondering whether it will suit your skin, I think it does suit a lot of people, but I think it also depends on your skin type and how your skin reacts to certain acids and certain products. So uh, that's a disclaimer, but still you can get it and use it to see how much of a difference it's making to your skin. And the second one is that photosensitivity. Photosensitivity is the case with almost all the peels and every skincare. But if you're using it for the very first time, then you have to be extra cautious, because chemical exfoliation does rejuvenate your skin and remove the dead cells on the top layer of your skin, which sometimes protects your skin from the full rays of the sun. If that's removed, then you have to be extra cautious with your sunscreen, more water, and so many other nutritious factors that come into play in protecting your skin. Even the doctor suggests that you take an internal sunscreen, which may or may not be possible by many. Can have, then I suggest then you can take internal sunscreen as well, as the doctor suggests. Another product that you have to apply on your face, irrespective of day and time, or whether you're indoors or outdoors, that has to be on your skin. So if you are a person who sticks to a strict routine of skincare, then you can definitely try this. But if you're not, then this might be very tough. The third one is that it is not the strongest chemical exfoliation you will find at home, and even compared to the ones at the clinic. Clinic ones are super rapid. They make sure that your skin is exfoliated and it's starting to peel, and you have the absolutely reduced pigmentation, and it is rapid, as I mentioned earlier, and it is also stronger. That is not the case with this one, because this is specially done for us to make use of it at home. It's a DIY chemical exfoliation, so they cannot let us have a stronger one, because we all know that we're not going to use it properly. For now, I'm happy with this one, and if you want something that is chill pill kind of a chemical exfoliation at home, no fuss, no big deal of getting a car and getting out and doing things at a clinic, then this is your best option. So yeah, those are all the pros and cons of the chemical exfoliation, the light routine that I bought from Chosen by Dermatology. I'll put the link below. Please do follow the Dr. Anita Rajan. She's been giving amazing information on skin, hair care, and even just general lifestyle health care on her page, and I've been following her religiously, and everything she says has been taken immediately into my mind, and I've been following that. So that's that. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this video useful. Please do share your views if you bought the light routine, and let me know how much you liked it. Thank you so much, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.